lahat po na nandito sa ating Zoom, FB Live from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Pa-react naman po dyan ng heart or pakitype po sa chat box ng number 3 kasi tayo po ay nasa chapter 3 na ng 2024. So ayan po, gusto ko pong ipakilala sa inyo ang aking sarili. Ayan, ako po si Cheng Gilyarte, 31 years old, taga Pasig po right now. And ginamit ko po yung products for weight loss, for sports nutrition, sa aking pong pagbubuntis ng aking dalawang anak ngayon, isang 6 years old, isang 2 years old. So I have 2 toddlers and ngayon po nagbe-breastfeeding po ako in my second journey of breastfeeding. So total of breastfeeding journey of 6 years na po. Actually 7 years. 5 years pala, sorry. Ayan, 5 years of breastfeeding journey. Hindi ko po hininto yung products. So before pregnancy, during pregnancy, and postpartum, ginamit ko po talaga ang products, powders and supplements. So now po, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko po is yung energy ko na nabigay sa akin as a full-time mom. And of course, yung ano po, yung na-improve po yung health concern ko. Bonus na lang po talaga yung 60 pounds na weight loss and yung inch loss ko na 6 inches. And now I am ready for a version 3.0 ni Cheng Gilyarte. And because of that, malaking tulong din po yung community tulad ng ganito na lagi ka pong sinusuportahan, minomotivate, ini-inspire. So tayo na lang po talaga ang kikilos at magdi-decide and para po sa ating future us, future you. Ayan. And because of that, results na i-share ko din po ito sa aking family. And of course, because of that, buong family nagko-consume na. So na-share ko din po ito sa aking mga friends, sa aking mga kaklase. And just the other day, meron po akong isang old customer na nagbalik, na ready na daw siya bumalik kasi nakaka-relate daw siya sa akin. Isa na din kasi siyang mommy ng 3 kids. So talagang gusto niya may accountability. So talagang ang sarap sa feeling na may ganong magsasabi sa'yo na nakaka-relate siya sa'yo and alam niyang masusuportahan mo siya, motivate mo siya, magaguide mo siya, and mako-coach mo siya. So ayun, with that conversation, talagang less than 30 minutes, you earn na with the 2 cans of shake. So kung 50% po, I qualified that discount po, the highest level of discount. So with that 2 cans of shake, let's say that's in retail po, that's 2,000 pesos. Okay, so half po nun, yun na po yung retail mo or talagang makukuha mo in just 30 minutes of conversation. And talagang kahit malayo kayo, malaking tulong yung mga Lalamove yan, mga Grab, di ba, mga delivery. So talagang iba na yung conveniency ngayon. So with that po, I really thank God for Herbalife na ito po yung binigay sa aking vehicle, and I know nakita ko po dito yung purpose ko kasi masaya po ako na ginagawa ko po ito. Ayan. So with that po, ito po yung aking isi-share na topic sa inyo for today. Protein shakes benefits for women. So galing po ito sa herbalife.com. Ayan. So now let's discuss protein. Ito po ang pinaka-importanteng nutrients sa ating diet. Kasi po yung amino acids na nakukuha natin dito, ito po yung merong building blocks na meron sa ating every cell sa ating katawan. So very important, most important nga ang nutrient na protein. And it's macronutrient. Ayan. So ngayon, meron tayong mga trendy diets na nakikita, yung mga nagsishake ng fruits and vegetables. So ginagawa nila yung juice, di ba? So ngayon, kapag ginuice nila yan, so binlend nila as juice, pwedeng ang maging pakiramdam is lightheaded. So parang pwedeng mapagod din sila agad or parang cranky, or kapag bumalik sila sa regular diet nila, mare-regain nila yung mga weight na lose nila. So hindi siya sustainable na diet, yung fruits and vegetables na diet. So, kung gusto natin mag-lose ng weight, kailangan nating i-consider to. So, ano bang kailangan nating i-consider? Muscle burns more calories than fat. So, pwede nyo po itong screenshot. Always remember na yung muscle po nagba-burn more than fat. Kahit po yung katawan natin ay hindi gumagalaw or we are at rest. Okay? So, yan ang lagi mong tatandaan kung gusto mong mag-lose ng weight. Always remember, again, muscle burns more calories than fat. So, paano mo ba makukuha yung katawan na gusto mo lean ka? So, paano mo mabibuild yung muscles? Of course, una, syempre gusto mo mag-lean ka, di ba? So, ang gagawin natin, magbibuild tayo ng more muscles. So, hindi lang tayo magiging maganda yung itsura natin when we become lean, di ba? So, of course, makakatulong din yun sa weight loss and mafe-feel mo na mas more energy ka, mas stronger ka. And of course, lighter din yung pakiramdam mo. Ayan. And ito na, paano ba ako magbibuild ng muscle para makaburn ako ng more calories? So, kailangan ng katawan natin ng amino acids. Ayan. Amino acids na nakukuha natin sa protein. Ayan, di ba? Sabi ko kanina, yung protein merong amino acid. So, sa sports nutrition, like yung mga supplements, mga protein powders, common yan. Meron niyang amino acids. And of course, ginagamit ito ng mga athletes para continuously na ma-build yung muscles nila. And of course, kasama yung high protein diets. Kasi para yung nutrients makuha ng katawan para makatulong mag-rebuild and repair ng katawan every after training and competition ng mga athletes. Cheng, hindi naman ako athlete, ganyan. So, I always, hindi ko to nakakalimutan na sinabi ng isang doctor from Herbalife, si Dr. Dana Ryan, na lahat tayo ay athlete. Whether na nag-move ka or you are doing any physical activity, you are already an athlete. Ayan. So, hindi naman natin kailangan maging professional athlete. We are already athlete. Nasa loob na natin yon. The athlete within us. Ayan. So, paano tayo makaka-benefit sa high protein diet? So, ito ang formula. Okay? So, do a moderate intensity exercise and combine it with a high protein diet. So, what is the result of that? You will get leaner and you will tone faster than ever. So, yun ang magiging result. So, yan po yung formula. Moderate intensity exercise plus high protein diet and you will get leaner and toner. Okay. So, again, protein. Meron pa po siyang isang na ibibigay sa atin, which is the formation of keratin, yung protein, which is nakikita na substance yun sa ating mga hairs and nails, di ba? So, ano ba yung kailangan na protein natin? So, it vary from person to person, depende po sa gender, male or female, body size, and of course, yung physical activity mo, light, moderate, or talagang advanced. So generally po, ito po yung kailangan na protein. For women, we need 75 grams daily. Ito po yung kailangan nating i-consume daily. While yung man po, kailangan pong kumain ng 100 grams daily. Okay? And of course, yung may mga mataas na muscle mass, kailangan nilang mag-consume more ng protein. Ayan. So last time po, na-discuss ko na po yung how to get your protein. Meron pong protein calculator. Ayan. And of course, saan ba natin makukuha yung protein? Number one, sa mga animal sources. Ayan, from fish, meats, eggs, and dairy. Meron ding plant sources. Of course, yung soybeans, lentils, whole grains, ayan, nuts. And lastly, yung protein powders that we are very proud of with Herbalife because we have these products, our Formula 1 nutritional shake mix with 5 flavors, and of course, yung Rebuild Strength with the Herbalife 24 product line. So sa protein powders, pwede pong may whey or casein. About yung mga plant-based protein powders, yung soy, quinoa, sesame, ayan. So dito nyo po pwedeng makuha ang protein. So ayan po, screenshot nyo po para po malaman nyo ano po ang mga kailangan yung idagdag sa inyong protein. And of course, sorry, meron akong nakalimutan dito sa protein powders. Ang ating personalized protein powder. So amazing, personalized protein powder. The one na i-add nyo po sa inyong shake. Ayan. So kung hindi pa po kayo nakaka-add nun sa inyong products, you can ask your coach about personalized protein powder. Para po mas mag-lean talaga ang muscles. And ano ba yung benefits kapag i-consume ko yung protein sa aking breakfast? So maraming beses na nating million times na nating naririnig na breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And of course, ano bang maitutulong neto? Isa sa mga maitutulong neto ay it replenishes yung katawan natin after many hours ng walang nourishment. Tulad ng natulog tayo, pagising natin, kailangan ng nourishment ng katawan. And of course, it provides energy para sa pag-umpisa ng bawat araw natin, di ba? So, dalawa lang yan sa mga benefits. But I'm sure kung nakinig kayo kanina sa ating value of healthy breakfast, nalaman nyo doon ano pa yung mga benefits. Ayan, so let's see this common breakfast sa mga Pinoy pa lang talaga. So yan, meron ditong high carbohydrate content pero mababa yung protein. So, anong nangyayari dyan? Hindi natin nakukuha yung micronutrients and ano pang ibang pwedeng mangyari? Pwede tayong magutom within few hours. So mabilis tayong magutom when we have this high carbohydrate but low protein breakfast. And meron namang ibang breakfast na high protein nga pero mataas din yung fats and carbohydrates. So doon mafe-feel natin sluggish tayo and antukin, di ba? Sa buong araw kasi yun yung naumpisahan ng ating breakfast or ng ating meal. And pwede din maka-exceed ng amount ng calories na kailangan nating i-maintain kung gusto nating na makukuha natin kung gusto natin mag-maintain ng healthy weight. So pwede siyang maka-exceed ng calories. So ano ba ang healthy balanced breakfast? So it should include this nutrients, carbohydrates, fiber, micronutrients, and the very, very, very most important is the protein. Ayan. So of course, we have this healthy balanced breakfast, our Formula 1 nutritional shake mix. So yung this protein shake, it's very delicious. Agree kayo? Agree. Type nyo dyan, agree. Very convenient way to get the right balance of vitamins, minerals, protein, and calories on the go. Bakit on the go? Kasi you can just add water or low-fat milk or soy milk and then put our Herbalife F1 Formula 1 shake. And then we can get all the complete nutrients. It's very delicious, of course. And it will give us the energy that we need to start our day, di ba? So amazing. Pakitype nga po dyan ng me kung sino ang nag-shake na for this morning. All right. And of course, since this is the highlight of the topic, ano ba yung benefits ng protein shakes sa ating mga babae? Actually, for me, this is applicable for everyone. Okay, so of course, number one, healthy, fast, and convenient. So I already talked about that. Of course, protein shakes din po. It is a balanced breakfast with the right amount of calories, protein, fiber, and micronutrients in just one glass. So sa isang glass lang nakuha mo na yung mga nutrients na yon, and it contains high quality protein. So talagang amazing ang ating protein shake. And kapag hinalo mo to sa mga iba't ibang recipes like cookies, muffins, pancakes, waffles, and you can even do popsicles out of the Formula 1 shake. So grabe talaga ang benefit ng protein shake. And of course, pwede ka ding mag-add ng gusto mong fruit, either fresh or frozen, para ma-customize mo yung flavor na gusto mo. Amazing talaga, 'di ba? So mag-e-enjoy ka, hindi ka mabobore. And you can consume this as a healthy dinner or snack, 'di ba? Or in between meals kapag ikaw naman ay nasa gain weight program. And protein shakes are best starting point for developing a healthy lifestyle that includes a healthy, balanced diet and exercise. So what are you waiting for? Start your day with a healthy breakfast. So watch this video po.
Begin your day with more nutrients with Herbalife Nutrition Healthy Breakfast. Start off with Herbal Aloe Concentrate. Herbal Aloe Concentrate supports digestion. Nourish your day with Formula 1 Nutritional Shake Mix. Formula 1 Nutritional Shake Mix provides nutrients. Top it off with Herbal Tea Concentrate to help you feel energized. Herbal Tea Concentrate provides energy boost with its natural caffeine. It's everything you need for a nutritious breakfast. Begin your day with more nutrients with Herbalife Nutrition Healthy Breakfast.
All right. So with that, thank you po. And march your way to this amazing Women's Month. So happy Women's Month po sa ating mga kababaihan, sa lahat ng kababaihan. So maraming salamat po and have a great day.